So, greetings, my people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It depends where you are watching from. This is Miro African Television. Once again, on the issue of things that are happening back home. And today we are now on episode 11 of 60 Minutes with EMEKA EMEKESIRI on the Biafran versus Nigeria issues. So, sorry that we are starting late. God bless you for tuning in, and let's use our normal motivation song that we normally use to motivate our people to continue today. God bless you. Hello, my people. Good day, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. It depends where you are watching from. God bless you for listening in today. Please invite others, share this video. Sorry that we are starting late today. It was because of some technical issues, but it has been ratified, and glory be to God. We are live now. We need more people to join because there are things we need to iron out today to our people. So my people, please let's use this opportunity to welcome our brother Barrister Emeka. Please, Barrister, welcome to our today's show.
Thank you very much, Zebedi. I thank you and all the Biafrans who are listening in now. I thank you and I welcome you to the program, and I plead with you to be attentive as we have serious things to discuss this evening. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you, Barrister. Thank you also the listeners today. Please, Barrister, we are getting a very horrible videos and pictures from home. I hope you are seeing all these things, Barrister.
Yes, I'm seeing everything that's happening. They are sending the things to me. I'm really current with the news happening in Biafra land at the moment. So it's so appalling, so terrible. What is happening now is terrible to behold.
Can a country like Nigeria that is fighting for the unity of the nation commit such an atrocities on the people you want to keep under one umbrella?
It's terrible to imagine that Nigeria is doing this, violating the human rights. It is gross violation of human rights. I saw things that made me shed tears. I mean, degrading treatment, inhuman and degrading treatments being meted out against these children. It is terrible to behold.
Oh my God. My people, I and Barrister are trying all we can to see that the issue of the European Human Rights Court commence as soon as possible, and so that they will be able to at least press Nigeria to withdraw all the heavy equipment in our territory, and to bring things back to normal, so that those investigating the killings and those wounded will be able to operate easily and freely. I would like to use this opportunity to thank one of our brother and the other ones that doesn't want us to mention their name, but the one that I begged and say yes, his name is Chris Nwogo. Chris Nwogo and others have started supporting this legal method that we are going to commence to make sure that Nigeria withdraw their heavy equipment. Please If you are listening in, your fellow brothers and sisters have started, please join them in. As we discuss with the solicitors that will defend the Biafran people in European court here, they made us to understand they may commence on this case with minimum of 5,000 euro, you know, and as the real charges, the rough estimates that they have brought out to battle Nigerian government in European court is 107,000 euros. So pounds. Sorry, please. 107,000 pounds is what the whole total, the rough estimate they have brought out to open every cases among all these killings and molesting and intimidation by the eastern region. On this case, it's not only the Igbo side. This case is the entire eastern region is involved. So the law firm are ready now, as fast as we can be able to raise 5,000 pounds, before I use euro because I'm living in euro. If as soon as we raise 5,000 pounds, that they will start immediately to open every doors to battle Nigeria in European court. Barrister, how do you see this thing?
Yeah, that's okay. The law firm will work, and we are ready. We have a team of lawyers. I mean, firebrand, red-eyed lawyers who will fight, who will battle with Nigerian government, because it's a gross violation of human rights, abuse. I mean, the greatest kind of abuse we have ever seen. We want to really fight and make sure, you know, that that the Nigerian government is indicted, all the officers, all the people in authority, the leaders who are there, who have connived with who have taken decision to violate the rights of innocent citizens, so that by the time we hit them, their feet will never enter Europe again. I mean, Nigeria will be under heavy hammer from the international community. So if you take a case in Nigerian court, they will treat it like Nigerian way. But when we take a case outside Nigeria and do it in international court, then they will feel the heat. So I think the best way is to battle with Nigeria outside Nigerian court on this issue of human rights violation.
Barrister, which chances do you think that we have against Nigeria in international community?
Why not? We have the evidence. International law, the international human rights law is respected in the international community. We have the evidence. All we need now is to package the case and fight with Nigeria. You know, it's gross abuse of human rights. Horrible things are happening.
My people, as you have seen, this case is not childish case. It's not a case of playing around. This case got to involve things that will go on the ground, investigate. Barrister, what would they need? What should our people started getting now?
We have said that the evidence of the brutality, all those things we have seen on Facebook, we need the evidence properly documented in videos and tapes and records. We need the evidence which we are going to tender. So already the thing is happening. All we need is proper gathering of the evidence on the ground.
And the name of those being killed and the family contact of those people.
That is part of the evidence.
Yes.
The people that are killed are human beings.
I mean,
and
their brothers here or sisters in abroad also?
Yes, they belong to families that are affected. Some of them live abroad, some of them live. So we need the people, the families to also identify. So we know that the human beings killed are actually human beings that belong to particular families.
So my people, there is a video that just came in today, Barrister. Let me just add one video so that our people will see what we are talking about. Nigeria is not there to play with you, nor to joke around with you. They are there to deal with you and your people back home. Let me find the video. I will play it so that our people will be able to see what's going on within that area, what the military are doing to your people. When we said, do it now, do it fast, so that little people or little human being will remain that you will be able to call tomorrow. Because these guys are out there to chase and to fish out I don't know how I will call it. This is those watching this video now, you will see that the man videoing this thing is a military man, but he doesn't want their colleagues to notice that he's speaking, he's videoing what they are doing. You know, he's hiding the camera on something so that the colleagues will not know. All these people you are seeing lying down there now are dead. They kill all of them. Did you see Biafra flag? You will see the military man with the Nigerian badge. You see him now. That is a very powerful evidence, and they assassinated all of them. They are now they put them inside maybe that thing is where water just gathered, you know, and in a little time you will see what will happen. This thing is too terrible. It's too terrible.
Yes, I saw it. Wow. It's terrible to look at.
Too terrible. These boys doesn't have any weapon with them. No stone, no stick, nothing. But before, in some minutes time, they will. You see them? They are now history.
This one now is dead.
They are now history.
He's dead too.
Or because they are Biafrans. Because they are moving around with Biafran uniform. Look at all of them dead. Dead, assassinated by those that swear to defend them, to protect their lives. Look at, just imagine all of them dead. Dead. Are we into war? Chineke God Almighty, please save your people. Please save your people. Let me remove this that can continue.
All this thing you are just watching now is ongoing now.
I cannot continue. Oh my God. How can a nation do such a thing to his citizens? Which evidence again do we need? My people, those that are listening in, share this video. Share this video. We need the minimum of £5,000 to commence on this case immediately. If you love your people, if you love Biafra, if you love all the whole things that is going back home, now is the time to show what you can do. Gather evidence, as the barrister said. Gather every damn fucking evidence. Send it down and support. Many are supporting already. We need more support to raise up to £5,000 under 1 week to be able to go ahead and commence on this case. You know, barrister, I can't. Yes, please chip in something, please.
You've done well. No, you've done well. Now, you see those children that are lying in the pool of water, those people that are killed, they have human beings, they have people, they have families, and if you don't give them names, it's like someone that is nameless. We need to identify the people that were killed and the people, their families. So that's why we are talking about evidence. If you just show that picture, yes, we have seen a picture of people who have died, but who are they? You see, the way a court works, a court doesn't actually move by emotions. You can bring a picture of the people who are being tortured. The judge will say, who are these people? Identify them. Good. Because the enemies may say, oh, these are criminals, or these are criminals that fought against us and we tortured. You know, they can come up with anything. So that's why those claimants, the plaintiffs, must produce proper evidence of those that are killed, with their names, their families, proper identity, at least as much as possible. I know that the enemies can do a lot of things to obliterate evidence, but we, the plaintiffs, that's the claimants, must prove our case properly, beyond doubt. That is reasonably. Prove your case properly. And then once the evidence is strong, there's nothing the opponent can do. Already we have seen the video, but we need to put names to those victims, those people that were assassinated. What are their names? What families do they come from?
Thank you, Barrister.
So can we compile the names of those people they killed?
I believe they will be able. I believe they will be able.
And they will also say the families they came from.
They will, Barrister, they will.
And here, these are the things we'll talk about, evidence. Yeah, because you can say they've killed, but who are they? The judge will say, what is their name? What are their names? You say, don't know their names.
Barrister, chai, here may be a lot.
So just with that's enough evidence even to indict the whole Nigerian government. You know, we have got enough evidence, things, but you just to package it properly. We have got enough evidence from the days of Owazirike, the people that died, thousands and thousands have been killed. Where is the register of those that were killed? All the people that were killed from the days of Owazirike up to now, were they documented?
My people, God bless you. I would like us to, we have created a little awareness now on YouTube. I would like us, Barrister, please, for us to be able to switch over to Facebook to enlighten our people also over there.
So how do you do that?
That's my mathematics. I do it from
I don't
here.
know how to switch from Facebook to that's how it's done.
Yeah, so my people, if you are here, please switch over to Facebook. We got to proceed on Facebook because those that are on Facebook will also pick the news. If you can be able to find names, if you can be able to call home, if you can be able to reach out on people to get the identities and the full information of those being killed from Anambra State to Oji River, from Oji River to River State, all over.
Well, I have instructed Mobbing, the director of Mobbing, all the directors to now go into compilation of those names, those people that were killed. So you can forward your evidence to the directors of Mobbing. They are compiling the evidence. So it will be better, properly harmonized, properly organized. So that's better. I think that will be better. You see, the problem we have had all the years that all those atrocities have not really been documented. I remember, I keep asking the people that when Owazirike in the I think 2007, when we went to court to advocate for their release, I remember about 11 people who were with him in Kefi prison who I discussed with, because I went there to advocate for their release. All of them, I met with them, had a meeting with them. Along the line, when Owazirike was released, those other 11 people that were there, nobody heard about them, and I have been worried what happened to them. Were they also released? Are they still alive? So this is what I mean by accountability, having record of our people, documenting them. Who are they? Where are they? Are they still alive? How many people have been killed? From which families? How many have we lost? So in this thing, we need to be properly organized. We need to be properly organized in this struggle. If you are not properly organized, I don't think we'll make a headway. We must be properly organized so that we can now know, okay, our members have been killed. Who are they? Owazirike's members were killed. Now Nnamdi Kanu's members have been killed. Or they're all Biafrans. Ben Onwuka also
The
lost.
caller on the line, Barrister, sorry, the caller on the line, if I pick your call, I will put Barrister on hold. You know, I don't know why your call is coming this way. Barrister, should we do it the way we normally do it before?
Yes. They can. Let me just summarize.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that many Biafran leaders have arisen, and many people have been killed under them. I was talking about Wazirikes. I was talking about Nnamdi Kanu. I was talking about Ben Onwuka. We have had news of their members being killed, but they are not been documented. They have not been documented. We are wasting people, and we are not able to document the atrocities Nigerian government is doing against our people. So we must be properly organized.
Okay, okay, sir. So my people, I'm displaying the account number where you will be able to donate any amount in terms of to pay the lawyers, because barrister have permitted that the money to pay for the chamber of lawyers that will handle the case should go to this account, and the chambers will now be writing to Bureau African Television. If any charges will come to Bureau African Television, and Bureau African Television will make everything public and then transit in payment and everything. God bless you as you do.
Yes, every money that is paid to JC Gold solicitors, we shall give receipt, and we shall send the papers, and then the Bureau African Television will show the world the work we are doing. Any money we are paid, we will use it to work. That is it. So we are transparent.
Yes.
If you pay the lawyer will do the work.
Yes.
If you don't pay the lawyers will not do the work.
Yeah, I know that they don't work on human feelings, or they are killing people. My people, the issue is this: the account number is there. If you cannot be able to make bank transfer, you may send us a MoneyGram, Western Union, or any method you want to use to send it. Just let us know. We want to raise at least £5,000 before under 1 week for the law firm
for us to commence the work.
Commence the work immediately. God bless you, people. I would like to switch over to Facebook, so that we'll be able to enlighten our people also. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in on this YouTube Bureau African Television. We need to stop this killing back home. God bless you. And before I drop, let me raise it again. People have already started doing something. One of them is our brother Chris Mwogo. Have sent us something in support of what we are doing. God bless you, my people. God bless you for him. Please pray that God should bless him wherever he bring out this thing from. God should reward him abundantly. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Bye-bye for now, my people on YouTube. Please kindly join us on Facebook. Bye-bye for now.